Kids Learning Channel.
What is your name?
My name is Amna.
How old are you?
I am 9 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Pakistan.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is apple.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is orange.
What is your favorite food?
I like pizza.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 brothers.
What is your younger brother's name?
My younger brother's name is Imran.
What is your elder brother's name?
My elder brother's name is Rizwan.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Nadeem.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Rubina.
How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
What do you drink in the morning?
I drink milk.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you do after school?
I do my homework.
What is your favorite game?
I love table tennis.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
What is your pet's name?
My cat's name is Bella.
What do you like to do on weekend?
I like to play with my brothers.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I like carrots.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is monkey.
What is your favorite drink?
I like mango juice.
What is your favorite holiday?
I love Independence Day of Pakistan.
What is your favorite cartoon?
I like Tom and Jerry.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I like reading stories.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Subscribe channels to watch more videos.